Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy fix, how to get your iPhone screen back to color if it's stuck in black and white. Right now, you can't see it on the screen recording, but imagine your iPhone screen is currently grayscale. Let's fix that. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. Next, look for Display and Text Size, and tap that. Now, scroll down again until you see Color Filters, and tap on that. You'll probably see that Color Filters is toggled on, and it's set to grayscale. To bring the color back to your iPhone screen, simply toggle the Color Filters switch to the off position. And there you have it. Your iPhone screen should now be back to its vibrant, colorful self. Now you can exit out of the settings and use your iPhone normally. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. This was based on my own experience, and for relevant links, check out the description. Thanks for watching.